Louise Hay, alphabet ailments affirmations. A. Abdominal cramps, fear. Stopping the process, affirmation. I trust the process of life, I am safe. A. Abscess, fermenting thoughts over hurts, slights, and revenge. Affirmation. I allow my thoughts to be free. The past is over, I am at peace. Third, A. Accidents, inability to speak up for the self, rebellion against authority, belief in violence. Affirmation. I release in me that created this. I am at peace. I am a worthwhile. AX, longing for love, longing to be held. Affirmation. I love and approve of myself. I am loving and lovable. A for acne, not accepting the self, dislike of the self. Affirmation. I am a divine expression of life. I love and accept myself where I am right now. A is addictions. Addictions, running from the self, fear, not knowing how to love the self. Affirmations. I now discover how wonderful I am. I choose to love and enjoy myself. Copy. I have copied this. Whatever is left, I'll do it in the next video. This is a very important and interesting thing which I have come across. Then A, where I was, addictions हो गया. Addison's disease, severe emotional malnutrition, anger at the self. Affirmation. I lovingly take care of my body and my emotions. Adenoids, family friction, arguments, child feeling. Unwelcome in a way. Affirmations. The child is wanted and welcomed and deeply loved. A. Adrenal problems, defeatism, no longer caring for the self, anxiety. Affirmation. I love and approve of myself. It is safe for me to care for myself. A. Aging problems, social beliefs, old thinking, fear of being oneself, rejection of the now. Affirmation. I love and accept myself at every age. Each moment in life is perfect. A. AIDS, feeling defenseless and hopeless. Nobody cares. A strong belief is not being good enough. Denial of the self. Sexual guilt. Affirmation. I am part of the universal design. I am important and I am loved by life itself. I am powerful and capable. I love and appreciate all of myself. A is alcoholism. What's the user? Feeling of futility, guilt, inadequacy, self rejection. Affirmation. I live in the now. Each moment is new. I chose to see my self worth. I love and approve of myself. A is allergy. Who are you allergic to? Denying your own power. Affirmation. The word is safe and friendly. I am safe. I am at peace with life. A. Alzheimer disease. Refusal to deal with the word as it is. Hopelessness and helplessness. Anger. Affirmation. There is always a new and better way for me to experience life. I forgive and release the past. I move into joy. A. Amenorrhea, not wanting to be a woman, dislike of the self. Affirmation. I rejoice in who I am. I am beautiful expression of life flowing perfectly at all times. A. Amnesia, fear, running from life, inability to stand up for the self. Affirmation. Intelligence, courage and self-worth are always present. It is safe to be alive. A. Mytrophic lateral, sclerosis. This is a technical name, so I am not able to pronounce properly. Unwillingness to accept self-worth, denial of success, affirmation. I know I am worthwhile. It is safe for me to succeed. Life loves me. Now next is anemia. Yes, but attitude, lack of joy, lack of life, feeling not good enough. Affirmation, it is safe for me to experience joy in every area of my life. I love life. Ankles, inflexibility and guilt. Ankles represent the ability to receive pleasure. Affirmation, I deserve to rejoice in the life. I accept all the pleasure life has to offer. Alphabet ailment affirmation, anorectal bleeding, anger and frustration. Affirmation, I trust the process of life. Only right and good action is taking place in my life. Anorexia, denying the self and life. Extreme fear, self hatred and rejection. Affirmation, it is safe for me. I am wonderful just as I am. I choose joy and self acceptance. Anus, releasing point, dumping ground. Affirmation, I easily and comfortably release that which is no longer need in life. Abscess, anger in relation to what you don't want to release. Affirmation, it is safe to let go. Only that which I no longer need leaves my life. Anus bleeding. Anorectal bleeding. Anus fistula, incomplete releasing of trash, holding onto garbage of the past. Affirmation, it is with love that I totally release the past. I am free, I am in love. Anus itching, guilt over the past. Affirmation, I lovingly forgive myself, I am free. Anus pain, guilt, desire for punishment, not good enough. Affirmation, the past is over, I chose to love and approve of myself in the new now. Anxiety, nervousness, not trusting the flow and process of life. Affirmation, I love and approve of myself and I trust in the process of life. I am safe. Next, apathy, resistance to feeling, deadening of the self, fear. Affirmation, it is safe to feel. I am open to myself. I am willing to experience life. Appendicitis, fear of life, blocking the flow of good. Affirmation, I am safe. I relax and let the life flow joyously. Appetite, excessive fear, needing protection, judging the emotions. Affirmation, I am safe. It is safe to feel. My feelings are normal and acceptable. Appetite, loss of fear, protecting the self, not trusting life. Affirmation, I love and approve of myself. I am safe. Life is safe and joyous. Arms represents the capacity and ability to hold the experiences of life. Affirmation, I lovingly hold and embrace my experiences with ease and with joy. Next, arteries. It's long enough. It is arteries. Carry the joy of life. Affirmation, I am filled with joy. It flows through me with every beat of my heart. Arteriosclerosis, resistance, tension, hardened, narrow mindedness, refusing to see good. Affirmation, I am completely open to life and to joy. I choose to see with love. Arthritic fingers, a desire to punish, blame, feeling victimized. Affirmation, I see with love and understanding. I hold all my experiences to up to the light of love. Arthritis is next. Feeling unloved, criticism, resentment and bitterness. Affirmation, I am love. I now choose To love and approve of myself, I see others with love. Now, next. I just finished my tea, it's already 10 minutes. Asphyxiating attacks. Fear, not trusting the process of life, getting stuck in childhood. Affirmation, it is safe to grow up. The word is safe, I am safe. Asthma, smoother love. Inability to breathe for oneself. Feeling stiff, suppressed crying. Affirmation, it is safe now for me to take charge of my own life. I choose to be free. Alphabet. Next is ailment. Affirmation, asthma, babies and children, fear of life, not wanting to be there. Affirmation, this child is safe and loved. The child is welcomed and cherished. A athlete foot, frustration at not being accepted, inability to move forward with ease. Affirmation, I love and approve of myself. I give permission myself to go ahead. It's safe to move back. Now I'll stop here. A is over. Now B, C, D and up to Z it will count. It's already 11 minutes more than that. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. I came across these affirmations related to body aches and pains and diseases, and I thought it to be read completely, but it's taking a lot of time. I am now signing off. I have to enter into the next practice buddy session. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.